Hi, this is Brandon from getfast1.com. We're going to do a little how-to video or instructional video or public service announcement per se. So we sell a ton of these pre-made nitrous lines. You take these lines, you run them down the frame of your vehicle to the back, hook them to the nitrous bottle, bring them up to the front and hook them to your solenoid. The problem is we keep getting these returned. The customers say, oh, the line's leaking, you sent us a defective line. However, once we get this line in, we see that it has burn marks on it. Yeah, it's kind of funny, burn marks on a steel braided line. You wonder how that happens. Well, here's how it happens. So one of the most popular ways that guys will run this hose when they get it from us is they'll have a buddy go underneath the car, and one guy will sit up here and he'll feed it on down through here to the other buddy, and he pulls it on down the frame, and then he'll need zippy tie, some wire cut or something, so his buddy will just he'll drop the line. Well, do you see what happens? It's grounded here, so now it's sparking. See that? So as soon as it sparks, it'll burn the line. When it burns the line, the Teflon inside heats up and it'll put a hole through it. Then a customer will send us back to us and go, hey, this line you sent us is leaking. Well, we get it back and we see the burn spots. Well, we know why it's leaking, because they arced it on the battery, or they could even arced it on the starter down there. So before you start any project, you always take the battery terminals loose, lay them down, and we also suggest taking a shirt and laying it over top of your battery, because some have top posts, some have side posts, some have both. So if you don't have them covered, you can still come over here and lay it even if the battery's unhooked. So you need to do that before you run your lines. That way you don't damage the line and end up having to buy it twice. All right, so now we came back in the shop. We hooked our nitrous line up to a nitrous source. We're going to show you what the effects of arcing this hose on a battery or electrical source is. So we're going to turn the nitrous on, and as you can hear right there where that burn spot is, it's leaking nitrous out, and you can see it frosting up. So again, guys, be very careful when you're running these lines. It doesn't take much to ruin a $50 line.